Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will go through the Google Kickstart problem round F, sorting the fabrics. Okay, so I will just start directly explaining the problem from sample data set so that it is very easy to understand. Okay, so they have given you this sample data set where they have given three sets of fabrics. Okay, uh, in the first test case, they have two fabrics followed by those two description of those two fabrics, and then second data set we have again two fabrics, and finally we have only one fabric. Okay, so every fabric has a unique three properties, that is color, durability, and the unique ID. Okay. Now there are two people, Ada and Charles. So it's like two matrices. So what happens is Ada sorts these fabrics using color. Okay, sorts all these fabrics what are given to him using color, and whereas Charles sorts these fabrics using durability. Okay. So in our first test case, so as you see, we have sorting by color, blue and yellow. And when Charles sorts this by durability, it's like 1 and 2, yellow and blue. Okay, so yellow 1, 2, blue 2, 1. I hope you are understanding, following me. Okay, so when we try to overlap this, overlap means like take out the fabrics one by one from left side. So we do not have any matches. Okay, that's why the answer here is 0. This is what you have to provide. In the second test case, what you have is uh, when you compare blue versus brown, so first letter is same, so you have to go to the next letter, L versus R. So here blue is greater than, sorry, smaller than brown. So first we have blue 2 1 and brown 2 2 for Ada. And when Charles sorts this matrix based on durability, he checks, okay, they both are same, right? So what he does, if the color or the durability is same, then we have to sort these fabrics using the unique ID. Okay, that's why we have here blue 2 1 and brown 2 1, because its unique ID is 1 and 2 1. By the way, if imagine that these unique IDs are interchanged 2 and 1, in that case what happens is actually this will again reverse. So first we have brown fabric followed by the blue fabric. Okay, then the case will be 0, but in this case the case is 2, because there are two overlaps. Okay, in the final and the last example, I think there is no need of sorting. We have only one fabric, so the answer is always 1. Okay, I hope this is very clear. So let's create our own example so that it is more clear to understand. Okay, here we have 5 fabrics. Okay, I'm considering only one test set, and let us represent these fabrics using the table. And now from this table, let's create two more tables. One created by Ada, like sorting based on color, and second sorted based on durability. Okay. So this is how the tables look like. Here we have B, P, R, V, Y, and here we have 3, 3, 6, 7, 10. If you observe, the durability here is repeated. So in that case, we have to sort by unique ID 6 and 7. Okay, rest everything is unique. So if you compare these two, we have two overlaps, the first one and the last one. So that's why we have the output is 2. Let's now change one of the values. For example, we have here blue 3, right? So instead of pink, let's convert this into a blue. Okay, so that is like this. Okay, now we have two same colors. So what happens now? So since we have the colors are same, then Ada will check the unique IDs 1 and 6. So this fabric will come on top. Okay, so this blue 6 1 followed by blue 3 6, and remaining remains as it is. And here when we sort using durability, there is no change because there is no change in the durability, right? Okay, but when we compare these two fabrics, since we have changes in the first row, we have only one matching overlap, it is the last one, so the answer is 1. Now We'll do one more thing. Let's change the derivative also. Instead of 6, let's make it 3. Okay. So we have two fabrics with the same color and same durability, that is like this. Okay. Now what happens is, since the colors are same, the ADA will sort this fabric used based on unique ID 1 and 6. And when it comes to Charles, he sees these fabrics are again having the same durability, right? So again he sorts using the unique ID 1 and 6. So we have two matches in the first two rows, and the last one again is matching. So we have total of 3 outputs. So since this is like a too many of examples, right? It is single shot. So I have created one more slide. Like this. So here you can just have a quick look. If you want, you can pause this video and analyze it on your own. Next, let us discuss about the logic. So first we are reading all the test cases and looping through. For every test case, first we have to read the total number of fabrics, and then once we read this total number of fabrics, create two copies, one for Ada and one for Charles, and sort these fabrics using the unique ID. Okay, both matrix. Okay, and after then sort the first matrix using color, second matrix using durability, then loop to the matrices using index, because number of fabrics are always same. Okay, and check whether it's matching. If it's matching, then add the result to +1. Okay, then display the result at the end after looping through. Then go back to the next test case. Okay, I have this logic you can use in any code, but I have created a Python code for this. Okay, and this code is also available in GitHub, so you can download from there. Here I'm same whatever I showed you before, the same thing I'm doing it here. Only difference is that I'm using the same variable, the fabrics. And first I'm sorting before assigning to Ada and Charles. I'm sorting it based on unique ID, the second index. I'm using a list of tuples here. Okay. And the tuple consists of 3 components, the properties of fabrics, and first I sort by unique ID, and then assign this fabric to Ada. And when I assign this to Charles, I have to create a copy of it, otherwise everything will represent only one matrix. So now these are 2 different matrices, and then I sort the first matrix based on the first index, which is nothing but the color, and sort the second matrix using the second index. Okay, so once we do this sorting, then quickly loop through both the lists. Okay, so every tuple is compared with each other, and if it is matching, then we have total matches +1. Okay, so it keeps on adding up, and we have then displaying the output. Okay, so thank you for this. If you like this video, just consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.